on, Kat. Go on, take it, come on. Be steady, strong.
Come on, Kat.
Go on, just steady, come on. Well done, Kat.
Go, 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 quicker, come on, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. There you go.
She's competing, she's competing next week.
Bigger competition.
Come on, come on, come on, Sam. Come on, Sam, good time, come on, good time, come on. Well done. Come on, Michelle, strong, good. Eyes up, eyes up. Well done, Michelle. Yep. Paul. Go on, stay strong, eyes up, come on. Come on, Michelle. Good work, good work.